In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Strava fitness score. Strava calls this metric fitness and freshness, and it reflects your training load over time. Think of it like a rolling summary of how much consistent work your body has been doing, not a snapshot of a single epic day. The key is building steady habits that your body can adapt to. First, prioritize consistency. Aim to work out 3 to 6 times per week and avoid long gaps. Even moderate efforts done regularly will move your score more than an occasional all-out session. If life gets busy, shorter workouts still count. What matters most is keeping the pattern going so your fitness doesn't decay between sessions. Next, increase your training load gradually. Strava uses relative effort, primarily from heart rate data, to calculate how taxing your workouts are. Nudge up distance, duration, or intensity, but do it slowly. A simple guideline is the 10% rule. Don't jump your weekly volume too quickly. This steady build helps your body adapt while reducing injury risk so you can stack weeks together without setbacks. Use heart rate tracking whenever possible. A chest strap or smartwatch gives Strava accurate data to score your effort. Without heart rate, the platform estimates, which can make progress feel less predictable. Make a habit of wearing your device and let your easy days look easy and your hard days look truly hard. Mix your workout types to keep improving without burning out. Easy runs or rides build your aerobic base. Intervals raise the ceiling on your effort score and boost speed or power. Hills are a natural way to add controlled intensity, and recovery sessions are essential. They keep your freshness in a good place so you can train again tomorrow. Add one longer session each week to build endurance. A long run or ride increases your chronic training load, which is a big driver of the fitness score. Keep the pace comfortable. The duration is what does the work here. Avoid overtraining by balancing hard and easy days. Strava tracks fatigue as part of the freshness picture, and if you pile intensity on intensity, performance and motivation can dip. Fitness grows during recovery just as much as during the workout itself. Track your progress weekly, not daily. Expect slow, steady rises over 2 to 6 weeks, and remember that fitness can drop faster if you stop completely. Look for trends, not perfection. Finally, use Strava's challenges, segment goals, and personal targets to stay consistent. Goals provide structure, and structure creates the steady workload that lifts your fitness score over time.